Moments later.
We left that meet. Man, that was the first time I've been to something like that in years, ladies and gentlemen, years. The last time I went to a meet like that is when I had the FRS way back when it was naturally aspirated. Now, only reason I went to a meet like that, honestly, I didn't know it was going to end up being like that, is because obviously my boy's in town for Texas 2K, and I was like, you know what, let's go to a night meet. Why not? I'm thinking it's just going to be like a park and chill, and then well, it definitely was not a park and chill. It was, you know, let's get active type joint. That's actually hard right there. Hell yeah, that looks good. Oh man, there's like a lot of cops out too, so we probably won't get active tonight. There's gonna be like a meet tomorrow, but it might rain, so we'll see what goes down. Man, it's cold. It's cold, y'all.
A few moments later.
All right, so our boy's gonna go draggy his car. I am not gonna go draggy mine tonight. I will do that another night. We better go see exactly what the Supra can do. And I'm gonna try not to go ahead and leave my man's number again. Let's go. Ever since it's gotten cold, I've had high idle. I don't know why. Like ever since the air got crazy cold, I've had high idle. Just like driving around regularly. Obviously, I don't know if it's just this cold air, because like the air is crisp, y'all. Like it's negative DA, like it's nice. The air is nice, and the car is feeling quick, but just gotta make sure everything good. I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we get closer to the spot though, because we're gonna drive a little bit.
One eternity later.
Yeah, you are good. Make sure that shit is reset before you hit it. You're good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just dragged the Supra, and it's impressive. It's impressive. I'm not gonna lie. This would be an absolute sleeper daily. And honestly, something that you could pull up to like a roll night and piss some people off. I mean, the car looks bone stock. It's on right now. You can't even hear it. Literally. It is quiet as hell. It looks fully stock, sound stock, but it actually moves pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. This car would have been a great run when this car was the header Z85 JLT combo. It would have been a good run. This car, we need to test it out against a stock Hellcat and a stock Z01, because I think it'd be real interesting. If a Hellcat is on the factory tires as a passenger, I think this car will definitely beat it 100%. A Z01, same thing. It's quick. It's quick. Because it actually dragged at a faster time than my car did when it was all motor. And I was able to take out a Hellcat, 2 of them. So I think this car would be really interesting. I mean, literally it just has an R2. It's just a downpipe. That's literally it. Just a downpipe. Is it like an actual tune, or is it like the
so what it is obviously Callus downpipe and then the Visconti shelf tune.
Okay, so literally just a downpipe and an OTS, that's it. A downpipe OTS tune, like full weight Supra on stock wheels.
And the Visconti flex fuel harness.
The flex fuel. What was that, like E46 or something like that?
E40.
It's on E40?
It's on E40.
Oh shit, wasn't even E50.
No.
Oh yeah, this thing will definitely be a Hellcat on E50. So this thing is telling y'all, man, these Supras, man, damn, this shit quick. No wonder, man, that B58, man, downpipe tune. I ain't gonna lie. Those the 10-speed Mustang, like, I don't think you can get a 10-speed Mustang to run what this car ran. Do you care if people know what it runs, or
what up?
Do you care if people know what it ran?
No.
All right, it went like it went. Show, wait, get the slip.
It ran. I think it was like an 8.7.
I don't think you could get.
Yeah, here it is.
I don't think you could get a 10-speed Mustang with the stock wheels on just a tire with just like headers, let's say long tube headers and an E85 tune. Well, maybe you could. It'd be a good run, but I mean, as far as just like something that doesn't look like it runs like a high 8, I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty damn good. And you guys know I've had cars that have made 100 horsepower all the way up to 800. So I'm telling you, something that runs like an 8.7, you can piss a lot of people off. Trust me. You definitely can. B58, man, it's not bad whatsoever.